Almost done, just a bit more.
First, we sprinkle a little salt all over the fish. This helps to bring out the flavor. See? Just a little, sweetie.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, that's a bit much. Let's add some color here.
I'm making a rainbow.
Great job, kiddo.
We're a great team.
I'm drawing a fish. See its tail? Done, a fishy.
Almost done, just need to make the hole. There, my tiny snow lantern is finished. I'm getting it packed down! Wow, it's so firm now!
That's it. You're both naturals. It's so good to have everyone together.
Yes, it really is.
I love family time.
This blanket is so warm!
Yeah,
And the fire is so pretty.
it's like a hug.
The best hug.
There, all set for the night. Time for some sleep.
I need to close this door to keep the cold wind out. There, all snug and warm now. Mom, can I rest here? Of course, sweetie, just relax. Thank you.